Hello, my name is Varsha. I
Hi,
complete my
myself
internship
Drishdal Vani. I
with
have
Unified
completed my
Mentor.
internship
During
with
the
Unified
internship, I
Mentor
work on
as a
data
full
analyst
stack web development
project like
intern. It was a great learning
COVID-19, EV
experience.
sales,
I
and
got to
e-commerce
work on the
furniture. I learned
projects like
SQL, data analyst, and
weather app, which
data
uses
analyst
API
and
integration, or
dashboard
student teacher
creation. The
booking
mentor was
appointments,
supporting, and the
which
learning
also uses
experience is so
Firebase
good.
and Cloud
Thank you,
Firestore. I had
Unified Mentor,
such a
for
great
this
time working on
opportunity.
this project,
Hello,
which
my name is Varsha.
makes my
I
knowledge
complete my
or my
internship
theoretical
with
knowledge work
Unified
into the practical ones.
Mentor. During the
It
internship,
improved
I work
my
on data
skills
analyst
in HTML, CSS,
project like
JavaScript, and
COVID-19,
also
EV
I
sales,
happen to
and
learn new
e-commerce furniture.
skills
I
like
learned
React,
SQL,
Node, and
data
Firebase as
analyst,
well.
and dashboard
I
creation.
had
The
such a
mentor was
great time.
supporting, and the
Overall, the
learning experience is
mentors
so good.
in Unified
Thank
Mentor
you,
are so supportive. Any
Unified
doubts can be
Mentor,
solved
for
if I
this
message them or
opportunity.
call them in
Hello,
any time,
my name is
which
Varsha.
was a
I
great thing
complete my
which makes
internship
every task
with
easier.
Unified
Thank you,
Mentor. During the
Unified Mentor,
internship, I
for
work on
giving
data
me this
analyst
opportunity, and I'll
project
recommend
like
to all the students to gain the
COVID-19,
work
EV sales, and
experience
e-commerce
and the
furniture. I
real
learned
life
SQL,
experience
data
through this.
analyst, and
Thank you.
data